Good afternoon. Georgia 2 High. I'm over at Barbara Nasso's residence, and we went and got started on that room addition. So far, we just did the framing for today. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right. Did all that framing, framed it out. Turned around and took that 6x6, moved it over there, added this post here. Already got the roughing in measurements for Craig at Glassmaker. And beautiful thing with him, he said he'll turn out the windows for me in a week, except for this one big one, but we're going to go ahead and put a glass in its place for the meantime. And then when the actual slider window comes in, we'll turn around and go ahead and do the replacement on that. Miss Nasso just left, and she is happy with our professionalism, our craftsmanship, and a few other things she was praising us on. We're going to go ahead and leave ripping that out for last. Like I told her, we're going to go ahead and come back tomorrow. We're going to go ahead and put in the insulation and the plywood on the outside. Making a phone call as far as getting the brick matching, took out the measurements, see if somebody's got it local in stock, or do we have to wait a week or so in order to get it. But she is aware. We're going to get that done tomorrow, and then we're just going to wait for the windows to come in to go ahead and keep pushing forward and framing everything out with the trim. And then, like I said, once I get some information on the bricks, get somebody set up to go ahead and do that for me as well. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot.